This is John Hinton with the Winston-Salem Journal. On Wednesday morning, August 20th, shortly before 7:30 a.m., this coffee food truck had an explosion that injured 4 of its employees. A group of 31 Winston-Salem firefighters responded and put out the fire. No students or Wake Forest employees were injured in the incident. The explosion happened on the same day that Wake Forest has their move-in day for their incoming students and their parents. The food truck was here at the Joel Coliseum to sell coffee to the students and their parents, according to a university spokeswoman. This is John Hinton with the Winston-Salem Journal.